Hello, and welcome to this short video on the Kupole extensions. The Kupole extensions simply extend the height of the Kupoles by either 4.9 or 6.6 feet. Our Kupole extension is interchangeable with Manfrotto's autopoles. Now let's add the 6.6 foot extension to our Kupole. First, remove the rubber top pad with metal sleeve by pulling firmly. Take the top pad and push into the top hole of the KUPO extension. The top has the larger opening of the two ends. Lastly, insert the narrow end of the Kupole extension into the top of the Kupole. Just use the Kupole as you would normally. Kupole extensions also commonly support backgrounds, rig lighting, etc. The Kupole extensions are available in silver or a stealthy black powder coat. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.